And then you go now, in the name character may be a bit comedic. So I won't be trying to insult anyone or offend anyone. I'm just being a holy thing. Then go cut go on like I've always thought of myself as a gentleman. Yes, a humble guy, honestly. I won't lie to you about that. But there's been a lot of misconceptions because we try to blend entertainment and everything. Because also I have so many titles. I'm not only an artist, I'm a father, I'm a husband. You know, I'm a son-in-law.
Are you guys, without naming names, are you back in good books with people? Do you still stand in business with some of the stuff you said? Or are you genuinely apologetic for the stuff that you said?
I just apologize for the way they felt, but honestly speaking, this mouth is mine and I'm going to use it how I want to use it.
I respect.
I don't catch my feelings in the entertainment industry. That's the reason we're not breaking out in Nigeria, we're in the UK. You know, in the UK, when we're doing ginger music, we're not sensitive. Some music some music in a life. Yeah, and that's how people end up sensitive, putting lawsuits and having the police look for me over stuff I said at a podcast. It's unfortunate, man. My cry babies are everywhere. Yeah, so I'm so sorry.
What's it like in the background?
My wife doesn't even know I'm at this interview. I told her I'm going to the gym.
Why?
You know, I've done a lot of interviews, so
you literally jump people.
You know, I'm not gonna mention names, right?
You don't.
But you know my biggest driver. I've been to his house in the middle of the night to scare you. A lot of misconception.
And how are you debunking?
As boys, we beef. The problem is when it ends up on the internet. And also, it's not everyone that leaves. You know, when you come to someone and sounds, I give you a year to work on you. 1 year, I'll carry you on my back. And then I leave. Like I had some of my guys asking me, why are you stepping into cheetah? That's where your rivals. You know, that's where they are proud of them and everything. So I didn't even take it personally, honestly. I just realized, of course, you know, it's not personal. Mallot said a lot of things about me. A lot of people say a lot of things about me. Then she also dug deep into the marriage, said stuff about my wife.
Do you not feel that that's just attention seeking? I mean, you're a big name to start a war with. So sometimes why don't you just ignore it?
I had started with her.
Do you think?
Yeah, at the podcast, I made a reference. I think I said my wife is not like Mallot. But I think she didn't like that. But is my wife like Mallot? My wife is not Mallot. Winky would battle with you on stage, embarrass you in front of everyone. Come for you. You should look into some of his old files. He was the scariest nigga that you could ever beef with. Winky. I could zika me, I could guys pass. So you find me taking the same notes from Winky D that he was using like 15 years ago. Zimbabwe, I don't know why we think or you think we're in the government. We're in no government. This is entertainment. You're supposed to
no rappers in Zimbabwe.
There ain't no female rappers in Zimbabwe. I gotta break it to you like that. There ain't no female rappers in Zimbabwe.
Do you have an artist that you would wish to collaborate with in Zimbabwe?
Yeah.
It was that.
When you did.
I like that for you.
That's I think people don't really understand
why
I then ended up doing what I was doing. It was heartbreak. It was heartbreak. I was disappointed. I didn't understand.